Hello everyone, I'm back for another episode. So today we're cooking fried boneless bangus, mang inasal style. So let's get started. So first, we have to prepare our ingredients needed for the toppings. And then we prepare the bangus for frying. So we have to sprinkle a little bit of salt on each side. And then we heat the pan with some oil for frying. So once the bangus is fried, we keep it aside and then we saute our ingredients for the topping. Pour some oil and butter. Some garlic. Chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, some salt, fish sauce, and pepper to taste. And lastly, we put our spring onions, mix it, and cook it for a minute or two. And now we're ready to garnish the fried bangus with these toppings. And now we're ready to serve. Enjoy! Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next episode.